Here, I would be like this.
Yeah. Perfect.
This is the courtship family. We're at the courtship.
Yeah, get Izzy.
She'll be squirming by the time you're finished.
Oh, she'll love it.
We have
Oh, you're black?
I knew you guys didn't know that.
That's disgusting.
Oh, Izzy, she's got to sing. Sing, Izzy, sing. Okay, ready? Go.
2 minutes, ready? Wait, are you singing or what?
No.
If you're going to sing, sing seriously, but if you're not going to, then don't sing.
Well, they don't want to do another take.
Go, go.
I'm holding Izzy, so... Okay, we're doing it one time, and don't mess this up, then.
Wait, why don't you read the,
Come over here, read the lyrics to me.
Man, I will not take this seriously at all. I'll get out right now.
Okay, go ahead, you
Just
two.
sit there and not look pretty. I didn't say that. Did I say not look pretty?
Yeah, you did. That was perfect.
Yeah.
Go, guys. You're doing good.
Now think about
You can always come in.